How to use LinkedIn for beginners. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn and log into your account. Or if you don't have an account, simply create one. Click on Home, you'll find your feed in here. To find jobs, simply click on Job. Or if you want to search for any job, skill, or company, you can simply search in the search bar. You can also go to your profile located on left side and add everything about you. You can also search anything you want like remote work, tips, anything. And that's how to use LinkedIn for beginners. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.